Hi, this is Carla from HeyLinkMe, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy an existing theme and apply it to your own HeyLinkMe page. So again, you must first log in into your profile, and then let's go to the Appearance tab. And when we scroll down, we can see the Replicate Existing HeyLink.me theme block. Take note again that this feature is only available for pro users. If we click this, it will show us a space wherein we can paste the link of a HeyLinkMe profile or page that we wanted to copy the theme. So, for example, let's copy one of my colleagues' HeyLinkMe theme. So, for example, I wanted to copy this theme and apply it to my own page. I can just copy the link and then paste it here, and then click on replicate theme, and it should change my theme into the existing theme that I copied. So when I view it live, it will look the same, or the theme will look the same. So that's basically how you can replicate an existing HeyLinkMe theme and apply it to your own page. And that's how simple it is. Thank you.